Today it's que dia é hoje?
Sábado.
Today is Saturday the 16th. We are going for our initial trip for the Mr. Camping Guy with Julia.
O que é que está a aparecer, minha mão? Olá. Estes somos nós.
Vitor Vasco,
Caminho,
a.k.a. Vinícius.
Deixa eu gravar.
Bonjour meus amigos.
Olá. Ai, diz lá outra vez.
Bonjour meus amigos.
Pronto, estes somos nós
And that's it
a
for now.
caminho. Este é o Filipe. Este é o... Mas estás a gravar? This is Vasco. Aca Vinícius. Aca Vitor. This is
Da
Shop.
minha tia, tá?
Shop.
Que assim é que fica ofendido.
This is Filipe. Pedro.
Fuck off! Sai para lá!
Diogo.
Fuck off!
Qual é o nome dele? Fábio. This is Cláudia.
Oh Diogo, já te disse
Inês.
que aquilo foi só uma noite e tiveste de
Diana.
aguentar, meu! Pá, divertimos e ai, o caralho! Mas pronto, pá, precisas officially in the middle of nowhere. Where are we?
We are like on shadows and valleys and valleys and shadows.
And Daddy and Polish and
Comparing orange juice.
De vodka!
I have to be in the middle of
Dark side.
Olha amor, tive descalço, tive que tirar esta perna.
She's lepers. And this is it. Say hello.
Daqui a pouco acaba o sábado.
It is never Saturday.
Mas vai ver. Eu, sim senhora, mulher.
It's what about yes.
Bora, dá-lhe, mais forte, caralho!
I am not happy about it.
We are going to lose the whole afternoon.
Vais para no YouTube.
As Marino has said, it's now 2 o'clock. We left like 3 hours ago when we did like only 200 miles. 200 miles? 200 miles, 150 km, não?
Não, 200 miles são 350.
Não, 200 miles são 200 miles.
Ainda estás a gravar?
Sim, são 300 km. Yeah. We did like 100 miles. 100 miles. We did like only 100 miles, and we still have another like 50 miles to do. And if you know any shop, please tell him that he's gay. I don't know who it is. Quick update: we are now arriving to new village of 1000 fountains, and we have like we are going to some place like this to camp for the evening. And finally arrived. I'm sorry for the wind. Here it is. This beautiful spot with no one inside. Anyway, I'm going to try to climb there. I hope I can. Aha! I made it! I'm up here after like 1 hour. I'll tell you specifically how much time it was. Look! There's my friends. I can zoom on them. Fuck! It was worth it. It is beautiful. Now let's go back. So, after going up there, we assembled our tents, and now I am on mine. We are a little bit. We only brought like 150 beers, just because if we find a cop, they would let Julia to pass because she's a illegal immigrant. I think she is a seagull or whatever. I'll see you soon. Julia is a monkey see monkey does. She wanted to climb up there, and now I forgot my beer. Let's zoom out. Look, it's a me, Shabio. Queres para ti? This is Cedric. Say in English.
In English.
How it is?
Very well.
Cedric is a personage. So, I'll see you soon. I think that if I make these clips, like with only 30 seconds, I can make a decent episode every day. This is very funny. If you are Portuguese, you need to check out the Portuguese version made by Julia. We are currently on our way to the car. It's basically a lost thingy. It's pretty cool because we have like a lot of woods and we are expecting to see Locke. I was spiked by a tree nature animal that is called plant. So I'll see you soon. It's like 2 AM. I don't know if you can see them. It's like 2 AM. I don't know if you can see them. We are all having so much fun. And we are going to keep on. I think this is going to be the last post for today. Do you want to say something, Vasco? In English. Yeah, we are pretty much wasted. Yeah. When you see the color correction effects, you understand. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep on trolling, as Relon Johnson says.
É igual, meu Deus!